Shoutout sa mga sipa! Konti na sabit natin yan. And this time, meron naman tayong bagong bike check. And this bike check is again from Velocity Bicycle Shop. Bira na tayo makadaraw doon, pero napakagaling mag-vlog ng ating boss na si Boss Velocity. No? Kitang-kita naman yung kanyang mga vlog. Napakarami ng views. And you can also check their page. Napakarami nila mga updated sila lagi sa mga bagong video. Ako kasi bira lang ako bisita ron. So, eto, kahit pa paano makagawa man lang tayo ng ilang video sa kanila na eto para naman kasi yun na nga. So again, this is Kespor McLaren. So check natin this Kespor McLaren, and as usual start tayo sa kanyang frame. And for its frame is an alloy. Hindi ko na kung ano yung uri ng alloy dun. Mostly naman 6061 yung ginagamit ng mga manufacturers for that kind of bike. So Kespor is a chain stay, seat stay, and yun, no? So kanyang top tube, lahat titigan natin, no? So again, all of the possible angles para appreciate niyo yung bike na hindi yan, para mabisit niyo na rin nearly yeah. So ayan, no? Ganda ng yung texture ng kanyang lettering. And then for its availability, meron silang 50 cm sa seat tube length. Okay, and that's for the frame. Ayun, nakita nyo pa yung mamaya check natin yung lapad ng tires for its tire clearance. Next would be the fork. Ganda ng fork, Ayun, so it has a rigid fork with eyelets. So gravel kasi ito, so parang yun nga, may alis for additional purposes na pwede niyong paggamitan, kaya siguro siya may eyelet. That's a Kespor McLaren GX. May GX pa nakalagay. Next would be the cockpit. It has a Machine 11 collab with the Shimano Sora R3000. So Machine 11 stem, maybe the handlebar din. And Machine 11 seat post and saddle. So Machine 11. Next would be the drivetrain. It has a Shimano Sora and Pro Wheel Ounce na 2x setup, but yung nakasora yung kanyang FD and RD at ang kanyang Shimano Sora ng RD. Hop. Next would be the tires and rims. Pinahira naman natin yung kanyang It has a CST Traveler City Classic with a size of 700 by 38C na tan wall. Ganda, no? Mas makapogi yung mga tan wall na tires. Maybe next time. And the Machine 11 na rims, which is tubeless ready na ata to. Ayun, tubeless ready nga. Pwede, no? And lastly, yung kanyang rotors and calipers. It has a mechanical disc brake and the rotors, which is I think mostly naman is 160. Okay, another pa-head of the bike. And meron siyang, nakita ko yung sa kanyang discounted price kay Velocity, which is 23,995 sa cash and 25,000 sa card or sa utang. So pwede utang kay Velocity. They use Cashalo. This, pakita ko lang, bago lang nilang approve si Cashalo as a partner. And they also have different payment options. Siyempre, cash, Gcash, bank transfers, and other credit installments. So, pwede nyo i-avail na by 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months with 30% down payment and 2 valid IDs. So, mga nagtiyatsaga, syempre mas masarap ang sinigang. Ewan ko sa'yo ba't gusto nyo ng nilaga, no? Pero syempre, para sa akin, mas malasa ang sinigang. Okay? And this will be all for now, mga kasipa, and I hope to see you on the next video.